Give Steven the change.
I'll take it. Add it to my pile. I'll take the $1. Give me the money.
It was written down in USACT history that day that this picture will be kept forever.
Are you gonna film like USACT diaries?
I guess.
Cool. What are you doing?
What does it look like?
I'm being stalked. Violation of privacy.
Yep.
Steven's getting down.
I beat people with bats.
Just played melee of the game. And I got 4 kills with the door guitar.
And I got 10.
I died to the flowery hammer twice.
A flowery hammer.
Flowery like balloon hammer.
You went down in a flame of flower.
Pipe sword and a regular knife. And then I killed a guy with I killed 2 guys with a knife. One of them had a pipe sword, and the other one just had a knife.
Oh yeah, the pipe sword was insane. Like that guy was swinging at me and I deflected with the door guitar.
Yeah,
That
right.
was fun.
It was not cool. There should be a limit. I'm just gonna get a giant yardstick and run around with it.
So why doesn't I want any pistol besides the ATP? That's the one you want? Because of your selfish desires? That's really selfish of you. I don't know what's wrong with you. You're really selfish.
You can get the Smith & Wesson.
Yeah.
I mean, that gets full auto. It broke on me, but I'm mean on my stuff.
Think of something else besides yourself for a change. Like buy the Walter PPQ.
Walter PPQ's got a good trigger response.
I love that.
You got it?
What'd you get?
An optic guard.
An optic guard, why?
Because everyone's telling me it's gonna break my red dot to the stand.
Oh, come on. It will. It's only $20.
What's only 20?
Only 20? Only 20.
Yep.
Only 20. Steven, I swear, sometimes I worry about
$20
it.
is money, boy.
Yeah, $20 is nothing in airsoft.
But it's still money.
No, not really.
Much.
Not much.
Hey, honey. I'm turning this off.